Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will test the microphone of your earbuds. So let's get started. I'm now speaking at a normal volume. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I'm now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's check the result.
I'm now speaking at a normal volume. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? I'm now speaking softly. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks a pack of papers. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck? And now let's see how well the microphone picks up street sounds. The fox jumps over the dock. She sells shells by the shore. Peter picks
Yeah, I guess we shouldn't finish it. So, this microphone is not the best one, so I hear myself clearly when I spoke softly and normally, but there's some noises in my voice, like at the background. And also it didn't mute street sounds, I hear it was horrible. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!